Well, we made it, folks. It's quite a journey, but worth every minute of it. I'm so glad to be here. All right, so we're just heading to the trailhead. Decided to travel light. Keep it light, keep it simple. So back in 2008, that was the first time I had ever been here, and my wife and I came. We were invited by Alex Matthias to come. I had a yearning to see the old growth, and he helped to facilitate that. So I'm very grateful to Alex for all he's done and what he's shown me here. Wow, it's a beautiful fall day. We really struck it lucky with this weather. Something else that the elder taught me was that if you hugged a tree, that you could feel the spirit, you could feel the energy. And so part of what I do here is I hug trees, just like my banner says. I'm here to hug the trees. Yeah. Anyway, here's a white pine. This is the most beautiful time of year for hiking. Yeah, it's just cool enough to keep you cool, you know, keep you from overheating. Nice little drizzle. There's something soothing and cleansing about that. Oh, yeah, here's another tree that needs hugging. There's another one. Oh yeah, okay, well, we're ready to go. You go, girl. You go, you're a running girl. Run, run, run. That's a good girl. Oh, she loves to run. Yeah, so we're walking on the trail that heads out to Shishkong, Abakong, and just before you get to the lake, there's another trail that goes up to the Sisters. And so we've just reached that point here. It's marked. You want to watch for it, but there it is. And we're going to head up there. Gertie, come on. Well, so here's the Sisters. We finally made it. And oh, they are so beautiful. This is such a great place.